St. Mary's Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School. A school of 175 years standing must be an institution to reckon with. When we go over the annals of St. Mary's, we, the present-day generation, are amazed at the strides she has made in the field of education.
The history of St. Mary's goes back to the dim past when it made its humble beginning in 1839. Founded by Right Reverend Joseph Carew, St. Mary's Day School and Seminary, as it was then called, started on the Esplanade in Georgetown, an important landmark for the Europeans and natives alike. Madras at that time was a little bigger than a big village, with more open spaces than buildings.
St. Mary's Anglo-Indian School was founded in 1839 by the fathers belonging to the Society of St. Joseph's, Mill Hill, London. St. Mary's was the first school established by the Catholic missionaries in the city of Madras. The school has been serving the cause of education since then.
Early history. Strategically situated in the heart of the city on Armenian Street, adjacent to the St. Mary's Co-Cathedral, the school has faced many obstacles in its long history. In his report on the result of educational census, Madras 1871, Charles Gower said,
St. Mary's is a splendid example of what can be done by single-minded labor and persistent energy against 1,000 obstacles.
Long after the establishment of St. Mary's came the foundation of the Indian University in 1857. By the year 1862, St. Mary's was raised to the status of a second-grade college and was granted affiliation to the Madras University.
In 1906, the government of Madras issued a special code of regulations for all European schools, which necessitated the bifurcation of the school into two separate sections. The European section was called St. Mary's European High School initially, and later it became St. Mary's Anglo-Indian High School. And the Indian section was called St. Gabriel's High School.
In 1928, the mission of North Arcot, including Madras, was entrusted to the Salesians, and Father Eugene Metherley became the first Salesian principal of St. Mary's. In the same year, when he became the Bishop of Madras, Father Mora succeeded him as the principal of St. Mary's, followed by Father Boira, Father Cornelius Cronin, and Father Joseph Cockshoot, all wonderful Salesian missionaries who served the youth with the heart of Don Bosco. In 1945, Father George Patrick White from Ireland assumed charge as the principal and correspondent of St. Mary's School, ushering in a new era in the history of the school. Father White's service of 27 years for the school can rightly be called a saga of devotion and dedication to the service of youth.
The other Salesian fathers who donned the mantle of headmastership were Father John Peter Satyaraj, Father Itiachan, Father Bout, Father V.V. George, Father P.J. Sebastian, Father K.C. Francis, Father Raphael John, Father Joseph Fernandez, Father K.J. Anthony, Father Jayaprakash Reddy, Father Paul Raj Manian, Father C.B. Matthew, and a host of other eminent Salesians who toiled and moiled to make St. Mary's what it is today.
The Alumni Association of St. Mary's was established on September 7, 1952, thus creating a strong link between the past students and the school. St. Mary's had its proudest moment when Mother Teresa visited the school and inaugurated the Social Service Guild in St. Mary's Hall in 1973. The Parent Teacher Student Association was formed in 1978, thus laying the ground for the new educative community. In 1979, the higher secondary course was introduced in the school.
In 1989, St. Mary's proudly celebrated its post-centenary Golden Jubilee. In his message to the school, Dr. P.C. Alexander, the then governor of Tamil Nadu, had this to say:
Initiative, enterprise, and dynamism of Don Bosco Salesian institutions in running 500 educational institutions all over the country, including 75 in Tamil Nadu, assumes special significance. The completion of 150 years of St. Mary's Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School is indeed a landmark.
In his message on the occasion, Mr. M. Karunanidhi, the then Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, said,
St. Mary's Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School is a standing example of dedicated service of the Christian fathers in fighting illiteracy and spreading education.
Father George Patrick White, the former principal, in his message wrote,
In various parts in India and right across the globe, where many past pupils of St. Mary's have distinguished themselves, there can be found the true grit of manly behavior.
Today, with Father Gregory Devarajan, a dynamic and able educator with vast and rich experience as the principal, and with active support and patronage of Father Bellarmin, rector and correspondent, and the guidance of Father Louis, the administrator, Father P.J. Sebastian, the spiritual director, the two assistant headmasters, Mr. Eugene Reddy and Mr. O.S. Irudayaraj, and with the cooperation of the dedicated staff, St. Mary's has made great strides in the field of education.
There are classes from Standard 3 to 12. The total strength is 1,733. St. Mary's places prime importance on academics and has been producing good results year after year. In the higher secondary examination, out of the 138 students sent up, 136 have passed, securing 98.6% result. Master Rohit S. secured 1,159 out of 1,200, the highest mark in the school. In the SSLC board examinations, we secured centum results. 196 students took examinations and all of them came out in flying colors, producing 100% pass. Master Caleb Rubin secured 491 out of 500, the highest mark.
The lack of a playground does not deter our students from excelling in sports and games. Our students won number of prizes in zonal, district, and divisional level competitions. In handball, the seniors were winners in the divisional level and came fourth in the state level competition. St. Mary's won the overall championship in the zonal level. Master Ajit Kumar S. was the state level champion in table tennis.
Our students took part in many inter-school competitions and won a number of prizes. In Sri Ram Memorial Inter-School Literary Competitions conducted by St. Michael's Academy, 26 of our students took part and all the 26 students won a prize each, and St. Mary's emerged the overall winners for the first time. Master Caleb Rubin won the first prize in the international level Wordsworth Spell Bee competition. Inspire Award for the Best Student in Science was given to Master Bennett Niffin. In the inter-school competitions conducted by Horlicks Whiskets, our students won the first prize in the dance competition.
The inauguration of the Quarto-Septennial celebrations was held on 30th January 2014. It commenced with the liturgical celebration led by the then Vice Provincial Reverend Father Anthony Raj. The former principals, retired teachers, past pupils, and well-wishers were all gathered to grace the occasion. A specially designed flag was hoisted and gas balloons and doves released as a mark of celebration. A human chain was conducted to bring about an awareness in our neighborhood on the glorious history of St. Mary's.
In view of the 175th year celebration, a mini marathon race was conducted on 16th February 2014. The Run for Peace, Health and Education began from the Marina Beach and concluded at the Labour Statue. The chief guest of the day, Mr. N. Murali, Joint Commissioner of Police, flagged off the event. It was a breathtaking sight to see the athletes race in full speed. Lieutenant Colonel John Prince distributed the prizes for the winners. The guest speaker, Dr. Raja, highlighted on the preventive methods of cancer. The first prize was won by Master Ajay of St. Mary's Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School and was awarded a cash prize of Rs 10,000.
To share our joy of Jubilee celebration, a lucky draw was conducted at St. Mary's Hall on February 27, 2014. The chief guest of the program was Dr. Madan Kumar, the alumni president. Attractive prizes were distributed to the winners.
A group of students went to NASA, United States of America, in the month of May 2014. They were accompanied by the principal, Father Gregory Devarajan. They had hands-on experience on space expedition.
The Captain's Day, a day of investing responsibilities to the student leaders, was held on 23rd June 2014. The chief guest was Padma Shri Dr. Mohan Viswanathan, Chairman Dr. Mohan's Diabetes Specialty Center and also an alumnus of St. Mary's. Mr. Murthy, IPOS, Chief Postmaster General, Tamil Nadu Circle, released the special cover with special cancellation.
Inter-Salesian Staff Volleyball Tournament. To share the joy of 175 glorious years of St. Mary's, an Inter-Salesian Staff Volleyball Tournament was held on 28th June 2014. The staff of 8 schools participated in the tournament. It was Don Bosco Red Hills, Wisdom Town, who bagged the trophy.
Express to impress through English. Another important event of the year was the inauguration of English Lab on 2nd July 2014. The school, in association with Diesel, had taken initiative to help students speak English more fluently and correctly. 34 computers and 68 headphones were installed for this purpose.
The school sports day for the juniors was held on 11th